How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of fear of the dark step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So fear of the dark is definitely common. Most of the times, fear of the dark is more common in people that have anxiety. For me, I was super anxious, and that is something that definitely contributed to me being scared of the dark. Because again, anxiety is literally being scared of the unknown, not being able to control your situation, and again, just not being able to prepare for the future. And that is literally what being scared of the dark is. You have no idea what is hiding in the dark, if you will, or what happens when you turn off the lights. So a lot of people definitely get scared. I was definitely scared of the dark for a long time, you guys. What I did to fix this is actually very simple. What you need to do is you need to do it slowly in steps, getting yourself more comfortable with being in the dark. Now, this is what two things you don't want to do. One, you don't want to just completely turn off the lights and be like, okay, I'm going to start sleeping in the dark. This never ever works. The second thing, don't constantly sleep with a nightlight or stuff like that. You want to be comfortable sleeping in the dark. So what I recommend to do is you do it very slowly. So personally, what I did is I had a TV in my room. You don't need a TV, but you need something with a little bit of light. So you can have a lamp in your room, put it on a very dim setting. What I found that really works is one, having some sort of light source that's dim. Night lights are super bright in my opinion. They're too bright and they don't actually get you comfortable being in the dark. You can have your phone on, it doesn't matter. Anything with a little bit of light source. The second tip, have some sort of white noise playing. You can adjust the volume as you get more comfortable. What white noise does is it blocks out the dead silence. The silence can sometimes be very scary, because what will happen is you'll hear little creaks throughout your house throughout the night. You might hear like floorboards creaking, ducks creaking, especially if you have an older house. It definitely makes sounds throughout the night. And I know for me, when I was scared of the dark, it would just terrify me hearing like a little creak or something like that. I'm like, who's there? What's going on? So what I did is I had the TV playing on like a music channel the whole entire night. I had the volume down really low, but I could still hear the music a little bit. And the light source from the TV, I wasn't completely in the dark. Eventually, after doing this for a while, I turned off the music completely to the point where it's just the light source. After that, for about a week, I turned off the light source, and now I sleep in the dark. So you have to do it in steps. You don't just do it right away. You need to focus on the light source. You need to focus on the sound. You need both, in my opinion. And then you just slowly wean yourself off until eventually you are sleeping in the dark. That's what I did, and that's what worked for me. Maybe it will work for you. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.